Yes. Hello, Stephano. I'm Cosio, and I'll be conducting your interview for the Junior Business Analyst position. We'll spend the next few minutes discussing your background and some situational questions, and then I will answer any questions you have. Sound good?
Yeah, hello, Lex. That sounds great. Thank you for the opportunity. Of course, let's go.
Okay, to start, could you tell me a little bit about yourself and what made you apply for this specific role?
Yeah, of course. I recently graduated in business administration where I focused on data analysis, and I had an internship where I enjoyed finding partners in the customer data. This specific role attracts me because it combines that technical analysis and with real business strategy, which is exactly what I'm looking for.
Okay, that sounds great. And what software tools or specific experiences do you have that make you a good fit for analyzing data?
Yeah, now I'm very comfortable with Excel or Excel, including like pivot tables and lookups. I also have an experience using SQL, if I remember the name, to pull the data and table to create dashboards for my class projects. And I'm fast learner and ready to adapt to the new tools and the new things.
Okay, and imagine you're given a massive sales data set and just told to find opportunities. Where would you start?
Yeah, sorry. First, I will clarify the goal. First of all, and I will ask the sales managers what opportunities they are looking for, like the new customers and cost reduction. Second, I will uh, clean, organize the data because that's so important. And third one, I will start with high level analysis like sales by a region or to find any immediate like trends or something.
Okay, good answer. And how would you explain a complex data finding to a manager who is not technical?
Yeah, I will avoid technical jargon and use simples like visuals and like a bar chart or a pie chart, or I will focus on the so what what is the business impact of the finding, for example, instead of you saying like a regression model shows that, I will say the data shows we lose most customers on the payment page or something like that.
Okay, that's great. And how would you handle a situation where a key stakeholder disagrees with your data-driven recommendations?
Wow, that's a good question because I will find, or I will first listen to understand their perspective, as they likely have because context or the context where I'm listening. I will be defensive, and I will call me like show them the data and my method. If we still disagree, I might suggest running a small A or B test to let more data decide the best path or the way.
Okay. And based on what you know about our company, why do you see yourself as a good first fit for our team?
Wow. From what I've learned, mm, your company values collaboration. I thrive in a in a team environment and not someone who works in isolation. I enjoy sharing findings and solving problems together and as a team, which seems to fit perfectly with your culture.
Okay, and finally, for finish, do you have any questions for me?
Ah, let me see. Let me let me make a question.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. And could you describe what's the biggest challenge will you be for the person in this role during their first 3 months?
Okay, that's a great question. And I think that the biggest challenge is probably learning in all our different data systems, but the team is very supportive and this not be difficult for you. And well, Stefano, it was a pleasure speaking with you. We will be in touch with the next steps by early next week, and thank you for your time.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. That's great. And again, thank you. I enjoyed our conversation and look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.
You
Nice
too.
job.
Goodbye.